everybody, it's Marcy, and I wanted to do a quick flip through of my February Fabric Junk Journal Challenge. This is my journal with the fabric cover and fabric applique and fabric flowers that I made. I did my journal with 3 signatures in a 5-hole pamphlet stitch, put some lace on it, and I've got a ribbon closure. The inside, I made a front pocket with a note card I made for journaling. Here I've got another page with a little tuck in it. Here I've got a fabric pocket to which I added some lace, journaling paper. Here I've got a fabric tuck with fabric tag. Another pocket with a tuck here. Another fabric tag. This one was made with the mini challenge so I could use more things on it. And a little paper clip. Here I've got 2 little pages, a pocket with this is a playing card that I covered so that it could be journaled on. And scrapbook paper journaling card. Paper clip. This is a fabric envelope with a journaling card in it. More journaling. This one ended up having a lot of journaling space. Book pages. We were allowed to use up to 5 book pages in each signature. I ended up just putting some little games in mine. Just because when I carry journals around and I'm writing in them, sometimes, depending on where I am or what I'm doing, I like to have a little something else to do. This is an envelope that I covered in fabric. This is at the signature, where the signature seam is, the middle of the signature. Made a big pocket out of that. This is actually a digital print. This is a drawing I had done, and since I was doing sort of flowers and butterflies, I thought that would be good in this journal. Here I made a little flip out with a tuck. Here's part of the envelope I'd made back here. I made into another tuck. Here's another playing card that I put into the tuck as a journaling card. And this is the other half of the, no, this is a different envelope. I'm in the second signature now, sorry. So I've got that big envelope for storing items. Another tuck spot that's made with a calendar page. Another tuck spot note. I found these index cards at Dollar General and I just love them. Love them, love them. So I stuck that in there. Another little fabric. Here's a note card envelope that I put a journaling card in. Here is a ruffled fabric edge. Another fabric pocket with a note card tucked into it. And a fabric paper clip. And go into my second signature I've got another tuck spot with, this is a painting I'd made that I added words, more of the digital print that I'd done, with some fabric behind it, and a tag, coloring book page, more lightweight scrapbook paper, another envelope with a card in it, more journaling cards. I did lots of journaling cards and tags. Another card with a tuck here, and there's also a tuck up here. I did not have any double-sided scrapbook paper, so all of my cardstock scrapbook paper and my lightweight scrapbook paper, I ended up using my distressed inks and stencils to color the white side, just to give it some color. Another page. This one I put a dot-to-dot book page in. Another journaling card. This is part of the digital prints that I had printed out. That's one of my drawings. I'm not going to stick that in right now. Piece of scrap paper. Here I've got a belly band with a fabric tag put in it. Here's my fabric page. Or part of my fabric page. This page is entirely fabric. Fabric with the belly band, and I tucked a journaling card in there. And on this side, I did the fabric page, but I added a tuck spot with a card on it for journaling, added a little tag, and some words and lace. Again, the center signature with a fabric envelope and a paper clip. Here I've got more puzzle, a book page with puzzle on it. Another journaling card. This is a piece of, I'll put that back later, piece of vellum paper that I used here. Got a guest check tucked in here. Little fabric embellishment with another, this is a playing card that I backed with some plain cardstock for journaling. And this is another one of the cards from that Dollar General index card pack that I got. And this is actually a note card for journaling. The other half of the coloring book page. Fabric tuck made from the remainder of the envelope I'd used in the signature, with a card in it for journaling. More of the digital printout that I had done. And here's another fabric pocket. Used two different fabrics and layered them. Got a tuck spot here. And the third signature. Another tag. This is some dot paper. Here's a fabric flip. more book pages. Here we have another envelope with the tie wrap around it that you can tuck stuff into, and fabric backed on this side with a tuck spot for card, some lined paper. There's a fabric applique, folder. This is a little kids game card, and I just backed it with some plain cardstock. It was slick on this side, so I backed it with plain cardstock so you could journal on it. And some grid paper. Another paper clip, tag, a couple of little corner tuck spots. And in this signature, I left this signature open. I actually need to put something on the ends of those. But here I used a piece of acetate. I really liked this page, Dream Big. And so I used a piece of acetate on both sides, glued it down to make see-through pockets. The little clip tag there. And more journaling space. Here's a little note card. How did I do that? Oh. Little paper clip there holding that. Note card with an envelope. And a little tuck spot there. And this is the last of the digital printout page I had made. Go there, and I made a couple of little sort of photo corners so it could tuck in. And here's another fabric edge. Got more fabric paper clip, puzzle pages, and another pocket here. And that's it. I did all of the 15 fabric functions. Actually, I did multiple more than that, using only the items that were allowed. And there were a lot of items allowed this month that actually gave me more trouble than I thought it would, because I kept trying to fit. Basically, I wanted to use everything, and I really had to bring myself back to earth. And I do think I ended up using too many things, but it was a great challenge. I really enjoyed it, learned a lot. Thank you, dear Julie, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.